Well, here's something that's been irritating for a while. This right here. For years, I've been tightening this bolt and this nut on this stud, and it hasn't been holding, but there was always something else more important. Well, now this nut has come off and the threads are torn up on that stud, and it's time to fix it. That's what's next on my list. This wasn't going to be next on my list, but what I was doing that was on my list, I got rained out on. So I was driving through the woods on this tractor with that seat not secured and bolted down, and it was throwing me all over the place. So that became next on my list. My biggest worry is getting this stud out. I've got this stud puller. It's got like bearings in here, cylindrical bearings, and when it's on the stud, it kind of binds up on it and grips it. So I'm gonna give that a shot. Hopefully it just jumps right out. Oh, yes. Perfect. I'm going to chase these threads out with a tap. Wish I had a bottoming tap, but I don't. Well, that's deep. Like a through hole. Went to the store and got a few things. I put some Teflon tape on this since these holes go into the hydraulic system. Don't know that it's necessary, but anything to keep water out of it. that should stay. I got lock washers on it, and if that backs off at all, I got enough stud on there that I can double nut that to jam nut it. Much more solid. This is a little worn out here, but that's a repair for another day. Well, I was really glad to see that the threads weren't messed up in those cast iron holes. That made the job a lot easier. It literally took no time at all. I don't know why I didn't do it sooner, but there's always something else more pressing. So eventually something gets on your nerves enough that you just stop and do it. So as always, I hope this video helps someone somewhere, and thanks for watching.